Guys, it is now day 7 of Vlogmas, and it is also Tito's birthday. So we are in Cambria, California. We rented an Airbnb, but we're not getting there until 3, right? 3? Look at my dog, look at my dog.
Back in the car, back in the car.
Look how happy Minnie is. Look at Minnie.
Back in the car. Where we gonna go?
Minnie! Hi, my love! So we came to a little local market here in Cambria. We're buying dinner essentials, so we don't have to leave the Airbnb anymore. We bought like pizzas and chips and salsa, cereal for tomorrow morning, waters, and salad and fruits and veggies. Okay, so it's already going to be 3 o'clock, time for us to check into the Airbnb. So I will check it back in with you guys so I can give you a little tour of the Airbnb. I will see you guys in a few. Guys, we came to the Airbnb already. We've been here for a few hours. What are your thoughts on it before I give them a tour?
It's great. It's gonna be my future house.
It is beautiful, you guys. Like, I am obsessed with this house so much. I think it's like my dream house.
Yeah, definitely.
It is amazing. When you guys see it, you're gonna be like, wow, like amazing. Like, the host really knew how to set up this house. The Airbnb is amazing. I'm gonna leave the link on the description box for this Airbnb. We recommend it so much. It's a good price. It's beautiful, and she literally has everything that you need in here. Yeah. Like everything, and it's perfect for big families. So there's a lot of rooms and so much
what,
space.
6 rooms?
Yeah, we're gonna show them all to you guys right now. So it looks really simple from the outside, guys, and it looks like small. And then you look over here, and the house goes all the way around, and you have a few patios out here too. Yes, we have the garage here, and then these stairs lead to more rooms down here. And that's the very last room, right? Or am I wrong?
I don't even know where that door
It's too big, guys. The house is huge. I can't.
I know, like the room I'm staying, I know for sure.
Yeah, the third room's somewhere down there. I'm sleeping with my parents because I'm a scaredy cat. But let's go on in. Here, recording?
Coming into my...
When you walk in, you see this. And we all just walked a little bit like around the hills, so we're all very tired. We're chilling for a bit before we have dinner. So these are the 2 doors we just came in through. Look at the house, guys. It's just a little overview. So right here we have the dining room area, which I love glass tables. So this is just perfect. I love it, love it, love it, love it. And then you have these lights here, and all the windows kind of go across right here. And then what I loved about this the most, the host, she's amazing. She left sparkling cider here for us. A little thank you handwritten note. Amazing, she's awesome. And then candies, and what I like the most, guys, they have this little scrapbook with all these activities kind of lined up that are around the area, where you can call and see what you or your family like to do the best. And that's amazing. I love it. I love it. They're great hosts, hands down. You guys come this way, so follow me this way. We have like a little, like a desk kind of, and I have my laptop right here. If you come this way, we have the garage on this side, right here. And then right here we have ovens. We have 2 ovens, which are perfect because we're making pizza tonight.
Hola!
Okay, so in the kitchen we have toasters and 3 coffee machines and all these things here. I'm telling you guys, they are so prepared and thoughtful. I don't think this has much cups in it. It has these cute little cups. And then we have microwave, and then baby, can you open the fridge? Josua's gonna model the fridge for y'all. Oh. We have just what we bought for tonight. We're making pizzas tonight, and salad, and we have fruit here, and then we have marshmallows. They have a fire pit outside, but it rains, so I don't think it's gonna work. We have chips, salsa, and then we have the birthday boy right here. Say what's up. And then all these plates here and teacups. So I'm gonna show you guys a little overview of the kitchen just one last time. It goes from here. Beautiful. Okay, so when you step out from the kitchen, you get this. Here we have the living room. Di hola, Pichocho. Okay, so I love the living room decor. And they have board games. Guys, they provide board games. How amazing is that? Yeah, they have Jenga too. It's on that side. They have Jenga. And they also provide, if you have dogs, they provide dog beds for them, which is also amazing. Here's the TV, all the windows. And then, I don't know if you guys can see from out here. It's kind of foggy now. But here's the chimney. We have a little sink here. Hey. Do you know what the sink is for?
To wash your hands.
No, I know, but like it's so random, right? That it's like in the living room. Oh, this is one of the little patios. But all the furniture is kind of blocked off. The kitchen's right there. Because it rains, so it's... Oh, show them the... This is another... Oh, my teléfono. I want to show you guys the bathroom.
This is one of my favorite bathrooms.
Okay guys, okay, so here's the bathroom. Here's the tub. Ready? How amazing is this? So freaking cool. So cool, I can't. That's your favorite part, huh? Okay, let's go downstairs.
I hate my room. I don't like it.
Okay, so this is like 2 rooms that connect, guys. Oh, I love this house so much. So come this way. We have like a little storage closet right here with a sewing kit. And then we have another bathroom right here.
Well, that's me.
This room right here, which I love the lighting in this room, guys. I really like it a lot.
This is the room I'm staying.
Yeah, this is his bedroom, so all his stuff is right here on the bed. And then my brother's room.
So
Josue's room is right here, and it connects with these glass doors to my brother's room. It has a microwave, which I find so weird, but that's pretty cool. Has this little shelf here, and so he has his stuff here and his guitar. Then they have like a little
let me get my jacket.
This is one of the balconies that this house has. I'm pretty sure in the summertime it's so beautiful, guys. Okay, so the rooms that we just showed you were in this little area, and now we're stepping away and we're going into this side of downstairs. So let's go in.
Actually, like, open the little windows and...
Guys, there's so many windows in this house. It's amazing. I love big windows. I love windows. It's like my weak spot when it comes to houses, are windows everywhere. Okay, so this is the room I'm staying in. There's a couch right here, and there's a balcony here. Like I said, most of the furniture, it's all covered because of the rain. But there's another little balcony, and then there's the hot tub right here, which is also covered, which we will not be using because it is way too cold, and it's raining. So there's that, and let's keep going.
Here comes Mimi.
Do you hear her?
Yeah.
Mimi, ven! There she is. Aquí está, ma. Hi, Mimi! Say hi to the Vlogmas! Mwah. Like to have. Okay, I'm gonna take her with me on the rest of the tour. Oh, let's go. Okay, so follow me. Here's like a closet and like another little closet, but come on into the bathroom. Okay, so my favorite part is hands down this little like built-in vanity. So they are so thoughtful with like all the little creative stuff, so like everything is like designed. This down here too, like the 2 little, where are they? Birds?
¿Cómo isness?
There you go. How do you say that in English?
You're the American one here.
What are eggs called in English?
Yo soy...
Geese? No. Geese?
Goose?
Swans.
Swans?
Swanson. Okay, so this is the bathroom, and here's another little exit. I'm telling you, this house has so many exits. So I was like, why not play hide and seek? So
I want to play hide and seek. These houses would be perfect for it.
There's like a little outdoor forest thing going on.
Which that little path right there will take you right into the place we were at.
Yeah, so everything connects. And then over here's the garage on that side. Go back in.
The walking in closet.
The closet's really dark. There's no good lighting, so I don't know if you guys will be able to catch it on, but like, quickly gonna show it to them still.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's not really good.
It's dark, huh?
Yeah.
It's cute though, guys. It's cute. Let's go to the last 2 rooms. Yeah, I'm sweating. I'm sweating.
Minnie.
Are you sweating? Okay, let's go to the last rooms. Follow me. The lighting in these are amazing. Right here.
It's actually quite hot in here.
It does feel hot in here, huh? I think Beacon trees are staying in these, huh?
Yeah.
So.
That's what it
Show us
said.
the last room in here, maybe?
Yeah.
This was just like a mattress, honestly, and like a little office.
That door goes outside as well. It's like a little office, which they made it like a room.
Okay guys, like how I told you guys in yesterday's video, I brought the chocolate that Josué bought me, and we're gonna open it. So I don't know if it's like the shell and then the chocolates inside.
I think it's a shell and it has chocolates inside.
Okay, that's what I was thinking too, but
Just break it open.
I can't do that.
What do you mean?
feel
Show
bad.
it. They probably want to see how you open
Okay,
it.
ready?
And how you suck opening it.
Okay.
See? Huh?
Here, you do it, Josué. Can you do it?
I'm weak. I can't. See, it is a shell.
Did you think the same thing as me? There was like a chocolate, like a big chocolate?
Yeah, I thought so.
That's what I thought. It is!
It is a big chocolate, actually. Wow.
Guys, it has the Ferreros inside, but it's like an actual chocolate.
That's cool.
Oh my god, it smells so good. Smell it?
Oh my god.
Wait, we have my dog
Actually,
here.
you know what?
We shouldn't be opening this, or she should not be here. Because if she's not there. You want a piece?
Yes.
It's just hazelnut and chocolate. That's good. And it has some inside. It has 4.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. Yeah, subscribe, hit like, you know, get that little bell going, you know. Ding!
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. As Josué said, follow what he said. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Thank you guys so much.